college website, scroll down to the Library tab. Under the picture, you will see 3 tabs: Library Catalog, Databases, Citation Guide. Click on the Library Catalog. In the search bar, you will enter your search term. You will notice you can limit your search to different items. You are going to click on Books to locate books in the library. Click on Search. You will see we have 32 items in our library covering this topic. As an example, if you would like to check out the first book, you can click on the title to read a short description about the book. If you are ready to locate this book on the shelf, you will need to write down the call number. The call number always begins with a letter representing the subject area. Write down all of the information between the parentheses. And, if needed, the library staff will be happy to help you locate the book on the shelf. We also have ebooks. You are able to read your ebooks on your computer or electronic devices. Under the search bar, click Limit To and click on Ebooks. Click Search. The icon will show you that these are ebooks. Once you find a title you are interested in reading, you can click View Online. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your borrower ID and PIN. The borrower ID is generally the barcode number on your student ID card, and the PIN is usually the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. You will need to activate your account by contacting the library. If you are on your own device, you can click Keep Me Logged In. And now you will have access to the ebook. On the left side, you will see PDF full text. Click on this link to read the book. Or you may access different parts of the book by clicking on the table of contents. You will notice on the top bar, you can email pages of the book to yourself, you can print pages, and you can click on the citation guide and it will help you cite the book. Depending on your class instructions, you can click on the MLA or APA citation style.